Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to set up secure folder in Samsung A16. If you are using Samsung A16 and now you want to set up your secure folders, let's see how can you do this. For this, you just have to open your device settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for security and privacy, tab on it. Then look for more security settings, select secure folder, then select continue, then select continue again, and you can see this is creating a secure folder. It will take a while, so you just have to wait for it. Here you can see a secure folder is ready. Now you are going to make a setup. Here you just have to select any pin, password or pattern. For security, I'm going to select pin from here, then enter a 6-digit pin just like this. Here's the phone. Select continue, then select use anyway, and here just enter the pin again, then select OK from here, and here select allow, then select next, and here you will easily get your secure folder. You can easily add your apps from here and your media files, gallery, calendar, notes. You can easily create new private notes here. So that's how you can easily make a setup of your skill folder in Samsung A16. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.